what is up everyone? So welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be reviewing the Bleach London Fade to Grey Charcoal Grey Toner. Now I bought this in Superdrug today for $5.99. I think it's normally $7.99. It's quite like a dark grey, if you can see here. I'm hoping it matches my nails by the time we finish. It says on the back, semi-permanent dye will last for around 16 to 20 washes. We'll see. It's never too early to go grey. So let's see what's in the box. We got developing lotion. We've got the colorant that you mix it with. Some gloves. Instructions. Reincarnation mask. Am I gonna die and come back to life? What's going on? Maybe it gives your hair a reboost of life. Obviously do an allergy test before you start this and put a little bit of that behind your ear here, and if you get a reaction to it then don't use it. It says to apply to towel dried hair. I'm just gonna dampen it a little bit and then apply it. Okay, so you want to start by popping on an old t-shirt, one that you are not worried about getting dye on. Then grab yourself an old towel. So I'm going to start by brushing my hair. As I always say, start from the bottom and work your way up. Okay, so my hair's naturally curly, so when I brush it through, it's literally like a hay bale. I'm surprised horses don't come up and eat my hair. You are going to need a big clip or a separator clip. And what you're going to do is separate a tiny section at the bottom. You're going to do your roots first. Now this is the area that gets the least amount of sunlight under here, so we're going to work our way up. Now I've actually bought 2 boxes just in case, because my hair's really long. I've never used this before and I don't know how much I'm going to get covered, so. This box is made from recycled cardboard, vegan and cruelty free. Even better. Everyone that knows me knows I'm not a fan of box dyes, but I did a lot of research on this one, and all the salon toners I've used have literally washed out in like 3 washes. So I thought, this one says 20 washes, I'm going to give it a go. Do whichever part of your hair is the most yellow first. Okay, so put your gloves on. Okay, so it says to add the entire tube of the colorant into your developing liquid. Break the seal. I do a thing where I roll it down like this so that you get every single little bit out. Give that a mix. Now my hairbrush is going to get wet in the shower anyway, because I always brush through my conditioner, as you all know if you watched any of my other videos. So I'm just going to wet my brush and literally just brush a little bit of water through, because it says to do it on damp hair. So you can use 2 mirrors for this. Obviously I've done it before so I don't need to, but I would suggest using 2 mirrors. I get my finger, find out where the root is like this, and then I go squeeze and dab, squeeze and dab, squeeze and dab, just so it doesn't go everywhere, and then I blend it down. And then I squeeze and dab slightly above and blend it up. And then you're going to lift that section of hair right up and do the very bottom by the nape of your neck. Then you're going to take your clip out and section just above where you just sectioned. Clip your hair back up and repeat. And you're going to keep doing this all the way until you get to the top. Now about halfway through, you want to do the sides. So you want to pull the hair away from your ear like this, and then literally just apply a little bit behind your ear. Okay, so as you can see underneath, it is starting to develop. It's gone very purple, which means it's probably going to be quite a dark grey. Now, I don't want all of my hair to be super, super dark. And I've got quite a lot of mixture left. So what I'm going to do is, I'm actually going to pop a tiny bit of conditioner into my mixture. Literally like that amount. It doesn't say to do this on the box, and if you only have short hair, then you don't need to do this. I'm going to pop the cap back on, give that a shake, give my hair one last quick brush with the wet hairbrush, and then I'm going to apply the rest of the mixture to my hair. Obviously, if you have super thick long hair like me and you want it to be all dark grey, silvery colour, then obviously use 2 boxes, but I want mine to kind of go from dark into a bit lighter. Okay, so I'm nearly done applying the mixture. What do you think of it so far?
Definitely gone grey. It's definitely come out. Can't see blonde anymore, apart from the bottom.
Yeah.
The top, definitely no. That smells really nice.
It smells nice.
Yeah, it smells like apricot.
Does it?
A little bit.
Okay, so for the last stage of the process, I've literally just put a tiny bit of water into the remaining of the developer, and I'm literally squeezing that onto my hands and then rubbing it into the ends of my hair. This is just so that it doesn't go patchy and that everything is all completely blended in together. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this for another 10 minutes because obviously it's already been on for 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, I've just clipped this out of the way, and in about 10 to 15 minutes I'm then going to wash it off and show you what it looks like.
20 minutes later.
So here is the finished product. Obviously I've styled it, curled it a little bit at the ends. I'll show you the back. I feel like it's a bit dark for me. It's going to take a bit of getting used to, but obviously as I wash it, every single wash will get lighter. It's weird because obviously I've gone from being like a bright white blonde with a hint of yellow to dull grey silvery hair. It's weird because like the roots are like a weird orangey, grey, greeny colour. I don't really understand. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you've got any requests, just pop them in the comment section below. If you've got any questions, let me know. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel because I am a new YouTuber, so I would love your support. And of course, I would love to see you again. So see you soon, and thank you for watching. Ciao!